Have you ever tried to uninstall a program only to find yourself tangled in a web of confusing commands? It can be really frustrating, right? If you're facing this issue with pre-commit, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through how to uninstall pre-commit step by step. I totally get it. You followed the installation instructions and now you want to remove it, but the commands just aren't working. You're not alone in this. Many users have faced similar challenges when trying to uninstall software. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How do I uninstall pre-commit after following the non-administrative installation instructions?" They tried several commands, but ended up with errors. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what's the deal with uninstalling pre-commit? The instructions suggest passing uninstall to Python, but it can be tricky if you're not familiar with command line syntax. We'll break it down so you can understand exactly what to do. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you time in the future when dealing with similar installations. To uninstall pre-commit, the user needs to run the installation script again, but this time with the uninstall option. This is done by passing the word uninstall to Python. The user should ensure that they are using the correct syntax. The command should look like this: curl followed by the URL, then the pipe symbol, and finally Python with the word uninstall. If the user encounters any errors, they should check their Python installation. It's important to ensure that Python is correctly installed and accessible from the command line. After running the uninstall command, the user should see a confirmation message indicating that pre-commit has been successfully uninstalled. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Python was released in 1991? It has come a long way since then, but sometimes the commands can still feel like a puzzle. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests using a slightly different command to uninstall pre-commit. They recommend running the command with a space between Python and uninstall. Here's a pro tip. Always check the official documentation for the most up-to-date commands. It can save you a lot of headaches and confusion. And there you have it. You should now be able to uninstall pre-commit without any issues. Remember, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more tech solutions.